Okay, so welcome to the video. Today I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can make pumpkin in the air fryer, almost like pumpkin fries. So today is Wednesday on a weekday, quite late. It's actually 8:53, so quite late. But I'm gonna use this air fryer here and put together. It only takes 25 minutes. Cutting this up, and the bonus is that you actually get a lot of seeds afterwards, so you can put in your porridge or yogurt or something in the morning. So that's the bonus. Very healthy. Then I'm gonna add in on the side a bit of a beetroot here, and also some sauerkraut. And then I'm gonna add some kimchi. And I think in total it's only gonna be like 200, 300, 400 maximum calories. Of course you can add in some more cottage cheese or other things if you want more, but let's get started. Okay, so here we have actually 500 grams of pumpkin, but it's a lot of seeds. When we're gonna open this up, and then it's gonna be a little bit lighter weight. So it's not gonna be that much actually, but let's cut it up. You can actually see here inside you have a lot of different seeds here, but I'm gonna take this out because actually seeds are very healthy, of course, a lot of good nutrition, but it has a lot of calories. So I prefer to actually have that in the morning if I do like oats or something. Instead of buying pumpkin seeds, you can actually just use these ones. So I cut them out now and only use actually the pumpkin. I'm just gonna carve this out here actually here and put it inside like so. Make them dry a bit over the evening. Nice to the morning. Okay, so now I've cut this one up, and if you've been following my channel, you know that I weigh everything that I do. So let's see what we're dealing with. 456 grams, and pumpkin is only like 30 calories per 100 gram basically, so that's, you know, only like 150 calories, something like here. And then of course I'm gonna add in some other stuff later, but it's basically a lot of volume when you cut this up for very little calories, so that's fantastic. I like to cut it up in like smaller pieces so they don't get not too dry, but also just not stay too too moist. So you can keep it like this if you want also to almost have like a fried feeling. So now we have cut up this very nicely. Now we're gonna put it inside the air fryer, put some nice spices on it. So basically just taking this out, I'm gonna put some foil in here. So when it comes to spices, I like to go a bit crazy, so I'm gonna add in a bit of kind of like garlic, like that. I'm having some spicy stuff here, Chinese, I'm not sure what it is actually. We have some curry, and some white pepper, then just a bit of pepper. It's a bit of a random mix of spices. You can mix different things. I even tried to put some cinnamon and it looks really nice. So use whatever you like, and then just put it in the air fryer. Okay, so we're almost ready. Just put it inside here. Then I guess it depends on what you have. I have to find the right settings, but for me it's very easy. Here, the fry symbol, done. And now we have to wait 25 minutes, and then we take it out. Okay, so it just made some noises, which means it's ready. Let's check it out. Looking good, even though it's a bit sort of dark and almost burned on the top. If you actually flip it over, it's orange, so it's only the top layer, so no problem. Nice, we got the pumpkin. Now I'm just gonna add in the other stuff, and of course bring out the food scale so we can check the weight. So first I'm gonna add a bit of a kimchi. Nice, 104 grams of that. Then we're gonna add a bit of this sauerkraut. 94 grams of that. And lastly I'm gonna have a bit of beetroot here. 48 grams of that. I'm just gonna sprinkle on a bit more pepper and salt. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see clearly, but here's the end result. A bit of a weird mix for sure. You have the pumpkin here, but you also have the kimchi, the beetroot, and the sauerkraut. But at least in my opinion, really, really nice. Of course, you can spice it up with more like cottage cheese or, you know, a protein shake or something on the side if you want to have really more like kind of protein, but I already got that earlier today, so no problem. So this is more just to get kind of the carbs going before you go to bed. 217 calories, I think, 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 50 grams of carbs. So really, really nice way and rewarding to end the evening. So I'm gonna try this one out now. Nice. You can also add ketchup if you really want to have like a more fries kind of version almost of this. So but I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this, finish up, add maybe a little bit of ketchup actually, and some salt and some peppers. So let me know what you think, try it out. If you have other suggestions or think this is just a weird meal, let me know. Otherwise, if you liked it, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.